Have you ever wondered why your precious jewelry store doesn't sparkle on Google's first page? Well, you're not alone. Many jewelry store owners are frustrated to find that when searching for those top phrases jewelers want to get found for, they are nowhere to be found. Keywords like engagement rings, wedding bands, custom jewelry, and more. But what can you do? Well, I would like to invite you to my webinar, Jewelry Store SEO, How to Optimize Your Website with the Right Keywords. Join us to uncover the keyword gems that'll have your website shining brighter than a well-cut diamond. We'll dive into the treasure chest of SEO and show you how to find those keywords that can matter most to your business and how to use them to optimize your website. Mark your calendars, February 28th, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Register today and make sure to get anyone else in your store that needs this information on the webinar. Don't wait without taking action. Make sure you learn what you need to do early on in the year to get top search rankings for your website. Click the link now to register and we'll see you there.